Alright, so that everyone knows, this is a GMC Envoy 2004. Was having issues shifting, and it was this part right here. And in order to get it to move, I had to press this one here. Prior to that, this was just going back and forth. On the bottom, changed the lever to reverse. Then by pressing this, I was still able to drive the car. But once I put it back into park, this was just moving back and forth, no problem. So it happened to be the front shifter linkage. The bottom was perfectly fine. It was this one. And the part is 14055. Got it from O'Reilly's. And it's not the smaller yellow one, so bigger white one that comes in a 2-pack. So if you're having the same issues where the car shifter gear is just going out of berserk, just goes in park and that's it, this is your issue. And again, that's your part.